Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Facebook access token. Okay, so this is the URL you need to go to developer.facebook.com. Okay, and you got something like this. So you're gonna click my app. Okay, from here you click create an app. Okay, from here you got all those options here. We are going to choose other. Okay, click here. And we go next. From here you choose business. Okay, and from here you click create or manage a business. It's up to you. It depends what you want. And you click next. From here, you give a name to your app. I'm gonna call it Python business account. This is optional. You can just click create app. Gonna ask you to enter your Facebook password. Submit. From here, come to setting. We are going to do the basic way. Okay. Here, they're gonna ask you to enter your app domain. I'm gonna enter my website URL. Term and condition. If you do have term and condition, you can do it. So from here, you click category. It's gonna be business and page. It's up to you, community and government. I'm gonna say business and page. After that, I'm gonna say save. So when you're done and save, you just come to tools, graphic API Explorer. Okay, this is my access token as you can see it here. Okay, you can also get token for your users. Okay, also token for your app. Access token, as you can see it here. So those the access you're looking for. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.